Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on Power BI samples. You're learning with DivKLearner, a bit forward daily. So if you want to look at these wonderful samples and you want to keep learning with me, please subscribe to my channel. So I'll be walking you through all the difficult situations that I've been going through, and in these samples you will be able to learn a lot of things. So in the last video, I clicked on how to change fiscal year for a particular dates, but now we found out an issue that it was not giving us the correct order of the month. So in this we'll be talking about how to sort months in the correct order in the fiscal year, and for that I'll be giving you these tips. So just before we begin, if you are new to our channel, do subscribe to our channel, and if you like our videos, please share the videos with the person who it might help. And if you like what we are doing, please like them as well. So these are the 4 steps that we'll talk about. It says go to table view, add the fiscal year sort to fiscal calendar, and then sort the month column on the basis of the fiscal year sort. So I'll be giving you that demo, and then you can check out the report. So before I take you there, let's just see a very quick example in which I was showing. If you go to the report view, in the report view, we have added the calendar, but at the moment you see that it is not in the correct order. So it is April, February, March, June, July, June, May, August, October, September, December, January, and November. So we want them in the correct order. So what we have seen is that our fiscal year starts from February. So here we have created that same thing. We have said that the fiscal year starts in February. So the February is belonging to 2022, the same year. However, if I scroll you down, then you will see that January of 2022 is going to the previous year because of the fiscal year settings. So I think I've just gone down a bit. So here you see that the January, sorry, this is again February. So the January of 2003 is going into 2002. And this is Q4, which is again correct because since January has moved to the last year's last quarter. So that's the reason it has become 4. Now, in order to sort it, what we are going to do is, I told you that we'll be creating a fiscal year. So this is the place where we'll click on new column and we'll write down the column with the name of fiscal year sort. So I'll go here in the new column that we have and I'll just paste it. I've already written this down. So what we are doing here is we are checking. Let me just make it, if I can, zoom in a bit, or better, I'll show it in the notepad. So what we are doing there. So this is what I've written. So let me just increase the font size of it a bit. So this is the kind of function that I've written. I've written on the fiscal year sort, and we are writing down if, what is the first condition that we are writing down? We are saying that if the current month is less than 2, so current would be the year, the date that we have in the fiscal calendar. For that, we are saying that if the month is less than 2, so that would be 2. It's a 1 itself, right? 1 would be the only one which is less than 2. So for that, what we are doing is we are saying that if it is less than 2, what we have to do is we have to plus 11 to it. So once we add 11 to it, then the 1 will become 12. And in all the other cases, we are subtracting 1 from there. So 2 becomes 1. That is the second month becomes first. And that is the way that we'll be taking it there. So second becomes 1, third becomes 2. So February would be first, March would be second, but January will go to plus 11 and it will become 12. Then we see that the fiscal year sort has been populated. Now, all that we have to do is, once this has been populated, I'll go to the month name. And then what I'll go to do in month name is this, and I'll say fiscal year sort. So month name is sorted on the fiscal year sort column. So now if I go back to the report view, you will see that all of the months have fallen in the same hierarchy that we wanted. So it is February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. So now we see that all the months are falling in the correct order. So this is what I wanted to show you in the demo, and these are all the steps that we have followed. Yeah, so I want to thank you. Thank you for listening and learning with me. So if you think that I'm doing good, or if you like what I'm doing and feel we can help others, please subscribe and share the channel. And if you like what we are doing, please like it. So I hope we have moved a bit forward in our learning today. With that, me, DivKLearner, signing off. Bye-bye.